Hi, this is Srikanth, Assistant Professor of EEE Department in Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. In this video, we are discussing about the power electronics lab experiment, gate firing circuits of SCR. The gate firing circuit is required for the turning on of the SCR. The gate firing circuits, we are having two types. One is RC firing circuit, another is UJT firing circuit. This is the UJT firing circuit kit. Here we will be having the rectifier and UJT connections. Rectifier from this UJT connections will be given, and from here we are going to connect it to the SCR, and from the anode of the SCR is connected to the load. This is the complete circuit diagram of UJT firing circuit, and the next one is this is the RC firing circuit. Here, by changing the resistance and capacitance values in this, by changing the RC values, we can change the firing angle. Now we'll start RC firing circuit connections. For RC firing circuit, all the components are internally connected. Only we need to connect the load across these two terminals. We need to connect the load. Here, this is the load rheostat which we are going to use. The load rheostat we are going to connect from the load terminals, from load one terminal to one terminal of the rheostat, and load another terminal to another terminal of the rheostat. Okay, let us start the connections first. And across the load, we are going to connect the CRO probe. Now we are going to switch on the supply for triggering circuit kit and also for CRO. This is the cathode ray oscilloscope. In this we can take the what is the voltage and current across the load. Okay, here is the RC resistance knob which is showing here. The RC resistance initially we are keeping in maximum position. When the RC resistance is in the maximum position, we are getting complete 180 degrees half cycle. Complete 180 degrees half cycle. There is no firing angle action in this at this point of RC value. At the maximum value of RC, there is no firing angle action. Now, when we go on changing the RC value, when we change the RC value, here if you see, it is a straight line which we are getting. From here to here, the time period is reduced. So that this is approximately 30 degrees firing angle delay by changing the RC value. At another point, we are going to get, this is the 30 degrees output waveform. And next, we'll go with next 60 degrees waveform also. This is the 60 degrees waveform. By changing the RC value, the firing angle changes. That is, what is the output voltage across the load is changing. By changing the RC value, the firing angle is going to be controlled with this RC. And the last here with the RC triggering circuit, we'll get the firing angle only up to 90 degrees itself. Up to 90 degrees, 0 to 90 degrees control only. Okay. This is the 90 degrees control where we'll get exactly half of the sine wave. This is about completely about RC firing circuit. We need to note down the waveforms for a value of 30 degrees and 60 degrees and 90 degrees. This is all. This is about the RC triggering circuits. Now we'll go with the UJT triggering circuit. Let me connect the UJT triggering circuit. Here, initially we need to give, here all the connections are internally connected. Only we need to give the triggering pulses to the SCR. This is the SCR which we are having anode, cathode and gate. And between gate and cathode, we need to give the triggering pulses. These triggering pulses are taken from the UJT circuit. This is the UJT firing circuit. From the pulsating transformer, we are going to take the pulses for the gate of SCR. From here to here, we are connecting one gate connection, and because the gate pulses will be given between gate and cathode terminals, so that's why two connections, gate and cathode terminals. And from anode to, it is connected to the load, and from load to the supply, AC supply, and from AC supply to cathode. From AC supply to cathode. This is about the connections. Connections are simple only. And here also, by changing the RC value, by changing the resistance value, by changing this resistance value, by using this knob, we can get the control over the firing angle. We can get the control of firing angle in this. So now I am switching on of the UJT triggering circuit or UJT firing circuit. Once if we switch on, so we are changing the probe connections. Here also we are keeping the RC value as maximum. When we keep RC value maximum, we will get the output voltage as complete half wave, complete positive half wave, because here we are using the rectifier output. So the rectified output only will get the positive half wave will get. So here the completely from 0 to 180 degrees waveform is available at this value of RC. Now we need to note down at 0 degrees, and next when we are changing the RC value, you see in the waveform, it is changing the firing angle, that is from 0 to 30 degrees. 0 to 30 degrees. If you see the waveform, you will get the clear picture here. The straight line is available from this point. Straight line is we are getting. When here it is a straight line. From here after again it is following the sine function. So the firing angle is changed to 30 degrees. And in the same way, next we'll go with 60, 90, 120. You see here in the RC triggering circuit, only 30, 60, 90 degrees we have taken. Here we can also go with more than 90 degrees. This is the 120 degrees waveform, because already we have seen the 30 degrees and 90 degrees, same waveforms will get. But here we are going to get the 120 degrees waveform and 150 degrees waveform also. The firing angle control will be done from 0 to 180 degrees is possible with UJT firing circuit. This is 120, and next we'll go with 150 also. This is 150 degrees. Like this we'll go with from 0 to 180 degrees firing angle control is available. That's why generally UJT triggering circuit is preferred for the control of SCRs. By changing the RC resistance value, firing angle of the output waveform is changed. When the firing angle of the output voltage is changed, automatically the magnitude of the output voltage reduces. This is shown in the graphs clearly. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.